Hello, welcome to Fun and Adventure. This is cabin number 11393 on the Carnival Mardi Gras. We're going to give you a little quick tour here. Have the thermostat, your on and off for your lights. You walk in. You have your cooler right there. Of course, obviously your TV. A couple shelves there, big mirror. The light, it lights up. Stool under there. You also have these lights, reading lights. Do have a USB per side. Also, you have these switches here that cuts the lights on here, there. And this is a interior room. 3. You have these nice little spacious bins that pull out. Have your safe. Also, storage here. Nice big mirror there. Bathroom. And these do have the shower doors. Do have shampoo and shower gel. Has a bar down there for women to shave their legs. I'm quite sure. Wife said it works great. And this is a quick room tour here.